Bonjour à tous, leçon 7 en pleine forme, la page 64. Couverture sociale or sécurité sociale. So we have just learned in the previous page where we talked about the social cover or the social security, as we were talking about filling the form of sécurité sociale, and the short form is SECU. You must have seen this word SECU. Okay. So what is SECU? Qu'est-ce que c'est la SECU or la couverture sociale? Let's read. This is very important. Organisation officielle visant à assurer. So official organization, visa means to aim. Okay, visa means to aim at ensuring. Assuring means to ensure something. Aiming at ensuring la sécurité matérielle, ensuring the material security of the workers. Basically it is for the workers, the leur famille and their family. So official organization aiming at ensuring the material security of the workers and their family in case of en cas de maladie illness. Okay, in case of illness, d'accident de travail, in case of accident at work, the maternité, in case of the maternity, etc. Et à leur garantir une retraite, and giving them a guarantee of the retirement. Garantir une retraite. Retraite is used for retirement. Retraite means retirement. So basically it is an organization which aims at ensuring the material security of the workers and their family in case of any illness, or maybe in case of an accident at work, or in case of maternity, and at the time of the retirement also of the worker. It gives them some social security, basically kind of insurance cover, right? So this is the la sécurité sociale. Now let's see, there are few expressions they have given relating to avoir. We will understand with the help of this exercise also. Let's see quelques expressions. Avoir mal à la tête. Avoir mal à la tête means to have headache, right? Avoir mal au dos means to have backache. Avoir mal aux dents, to have toothache or teethache. Avoir une crise cardiaque, to have heart attack. Avoir un vertige, that is to have dizziness. Passer une nuit blanche, to be awake. Avoir une insomnie, to have insomnia. Okay, let's see how can we use this expression in the fill-ups. So faire des phrases avec les expressions données. So expressions are given. Let's make some sentences. For example, Pauline va chez la dentiste parce que elle. Pauline goes to the dentist because parce que elle a mal aux dents. So we are going to conjugate verb avoir with this expression, parce qu'elle a mal aux dents. Next, le grand-père de Denis a des problèmes de cœur. The grandfather of Denis has heart problem. Il a peur de, he is afraid of. Il a peur de une crise cardiaque. Une crise cardiaque, as I told you, of heart attack. He is scared of a heart attack. Nargis mange bien. It is a sentence of imperative. Nargis eat well. See no. If not, tu dash vertige. So here you have to conjugate it in future. Tu auras un vertige. You will have dizziness. Doctor, mes yeux sont rouges. My eyes are red. Je dash blanche. We have just seen passer une nuit blanche. It means to awake, to be awake at night, right? So it will be docteur, mes yeux sont rouges. J'ai passé. In passé composé you have to write j'ai passé une nuit blanche, right? Then les malades dash avoir une insomnie. So les malades ont une insomnie. Right? Merci.